Hello, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fixing the issue, the Grok application has been not working. The chatting has been both, but any error problem. The Grok is countrywide unable to loading to we are working or reason your full server is quick processing the error problem. Let's go to checkings and grok the web application and website it but error problems. But any problem, the solution update this video to step by step. First step, the important the internet connection, the checkings and internet connection, the checkings the speed testing and two step. The first of all, the update the Play Store opens. The Play Store has been updated. The Grok new updated versions completed the updated and second step the press applications crocs and app information the selected the clicks please wait and first of all the permissions checkings all permission is now processing allow permission is not allowed but camera connected microphones and navigation the all the allow step by step the open the devices have been completed the processing the reset your devices completed the reset your devices and check your opens and logins about any status updated the checking the clock has been stated has been server down the red light has been up the error problems but any resolve the issue the extruder handle the shear error problems